So welcome guys, today we are heading to the garden. We are going to be making another new exciting edition where we're going to be making mulberry juice, and stay tuned.
Mulberries are a good source of iron, vitamin C, and several plant compounds, and have been linked to lower cholesterol, blood sugar, and cancer risk. These berries have also been used in Chinese herbal medicine for thousands of years to treat various illnesses, though evidence to support their effectiveness is weak.
This water is so clean that you can even drink it. So let me show you in a nutshell how we're going to be sipping this water without any effects. I carried my cup, so don't worry, I'm going to get a cup. Oh my goodness. River water. Very exciting, tasty. Guys, now this is the mulberry tree, and it grows approximately, takes around 2 years to be like this, and you can see it's fully grown. So this place we only have one, so let's enjoy the benefits of this in a moment. Guys, as I told you, today I've gone and I've collected the mulberry fruits. Here they are. You see how they are, very sweet, nice and clean, crispy, very juicy, and that is what we are going to be making for today, the mulberry juice. So without any further ado, let's jump into the blender. Guys, now the moment of the juice has arrived, and this is what I've been able to make. Now guys, the moment has arrived. Testing time. See how it is. Black juice, mulberry juice, powerful than the black currant. Oh no, tasty. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. The video is done, and there is the juice. Till the next video, bye bye.